Thank you for choosing the original ecotrash compactor by Compaction Technologies. If you have any questions during this cleaning video, please call 877-860-6900. Before we begin, it's important to note that you should never spray the inside or outside of your machine with pressurized water. It's best if you just wipe down your ecotrash with a clean rag when trays are collected or as needed. To begin the cleaning process, insert your key into the slot and turn it clockwise. Push the door in slightly to release the magnetic door lock and pull the door open. Once the door is open, pull out the bin, bring the corners of the bag together and tie them off. When the bag is tied, remove the bag and set it to the side. The inside and the outside of the bin can now be cleaned with an all-purpose cleaner. Now, let's move to the head of the compactor. We're going to remove the head by pulling it out and then down. The head cover should come right out, and you're now able to use an all-purpose cleaner on the outside and inside of the head cover. The head cover should be cleaned once a week. To put the head cover back into the machine, make sure the notch is at the front of the bin. You're going to lift the head cover up and then back towards the rear of the unit. When replacing a new bag, make sure the bag covers all sides of the bin and that there is plenty of room at the bottom for compaction. You'll also want to fold the top 2 inches of the bag upward. Make sure to wipe down the inside of your machine and the inside of the door. Now you can put the bin back, and make sure the handles are facing out towards the front of the machine. Once your ecotrash is closed back up, use your cleaner and a cleaning cloth to wipe down the exterior. Lock the door back up by turning the key counterclockwise. Cleaning behind the machine is also a breeze. Just roll it away from the wall, unplug, and sweep or mop behind the machine as needed. When you're done, just plug the ecotrash back into the outlet and roll back into place. When your ecotrash glows a solid green ready light, it's ready for use. Once again, if you have any questions about your ecotrash compactor, please call us at 877-860-6900. And thank you for using ecotrash from Compaction Technologies.